Hey all, Will Healy here, and last night I was lucky enough to visit Santa's factory with a last-minute invite to consult. He's been watching my videos on LinkedIn and YouTube and TikTok, and he needed some advice. So I flew up there, and boy are my arms tired. So when I got there, I started asking some questions. Santa, all these elves have to be so old. Aren't you worried about retirements in your workforce? To which Santa replied, ho, 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 no. None of these are boomers like your friend Joe Campbell, so they are still good for many years of work. Ouch, Santa, I replied. Joe is awesome. He'll be around for years to come too. But how do you keep up the volume of work with the surge at the holidays? Robots, my boy, Santa replied. We've got cobots and mobile robots and drones and automation. Just like Aaron Prather likes to point out, with automation, every elf is so much more efficient than last year. So I'm really trying to think, why am I here consulting? So I asked Santa, but Santa, if you have robots, then you don't need elves, right? So North Pole layoffs are coming. And Santa says, oh no, my son, robots don't take elf jobs. Like Ann Wyatt says, they make our elves' lives better, more efficient. It makes the work better for them so they can go home happy to their little elf families and play elf hockey with their elf kids. Okay, so that's really nice, Santa, but manufacturing labor is in high demand. How are you retaining all your elves, and how are they not getting stolen by other factories? And Santa gave me some pretty good advice. Oh, my son, Santa is on the good leader list. At Santa's workshop, we care about our elves. We have an all-you-can-eat cookie bar, an all-you-can-drink cocoa barista. We invest in reskilling our people. For example, Elvis the Elf used to build wooden toys, and now he's an electrical tech building semiconductor boards for all those PlayStations. And we invest in technology and automation to eliminate the dull, dark, dirty, dangerous jobs that we had in our factory. And we also focus on having diversity in elves from all over the world and of all walks of life to make sure we're the most innovative and engaged factory on the planet. So I was stumped and I asked Santa, wow, so what do you need me to consult for? Seems like you're killing it. And Santa replied, I know I am, but you're on the naughty list. You need to be nicer to Jake Hall next year, or you're only going to get coal. I'm probably going to get coal next year. Good luck, Jake. I hope you all have an awesome break, and to those working during shutdowns, I wish you good luck, quick fixes, and easy installs. Over the holiday break, follow my socials for some atypical videos, and I'll share some fun things over the break, and we'll see you in the new year. Until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?